You must be ready to change your thinking, because you stayed with the company for many years, and now you have to accept that someone new will come and would not have the same thinking about the company, about the future, and you must be ready to accept that. And it was the very tough decision, because I was managing the company for many years, and then one option might be that we would sell or merge or do any kind of transaction, because in the beginning we were not sure what we are looking for. There were several options that were on the table, and we were trying to choose the best one. I think there showed us what the potential routes could be, so which direction we could go, and then they definitely was very valuable in discussions, giving us feedback, because we were thinking, is this something what is best for the company? And they give us, we think it might not be, because we see also the other options, consider this and that, and the structure is different. So it was something that would not be possible without the advisors.